hot diggity dog. Now we got ears, it's time for cheers. Hot dog, no problem solved. Hot diggity dog.
Hot dog day.
Hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor. Hot diggity dog. Hot diggity dog. We're splitting the scene. We're full of beans. So long for now from Mickey Mouse.
That's me.
And the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
See you real soon.